Hi everyone, this is your Wednesday morning weather update, which means we're about halfway through the week, just a few days away from the weekend. And for a lot of folks, especially with these big Irish communities in the Northeast, this is going to be a huge weekend. We got St. Patrick's Day on Sunday, and a lot of folks celebrate either Saturday or Sunday or both days. The weather's not looking all that bad. We're going to get right to that in a moment. But let's talk about what's happening first this morning. Actually, a pretty mild start. We got a lot of clouds around the Northeast, at least early this morning, but they're going to burn off pretty quickly. We're going to end up near 70 in New York City. And that has been kind of a debate with the forecast models because they do hang on, at least some of the models, onto these clouds, and that would keep temperatures quite a bit cooler. That happens this time of the year. So this is like a moderate confidence type forecast, but it's all banking on the fact that the sunshine takes over and we get up near 70. And I think that's the way it's going to play out. 63 in Albany today, 64 in Syracuse, 55 in Buffalo. Okay, so what's going on there? Why is it so cool in Buffalo? I mean, you look at all the other temperatures, everyone's much milder. Well, the wind is coming off of Lake Erie. So even northeast of Lake Ontario, which would be north of Oswego, we're going to see cooler temperatures because the lakes are quite a bit colder. So you got the water coming right off the lake. The lake is a cooling influence. So that's why it's 55 today in Buffalo. Tonight, temperatures fall into the upper 30s. Buffalo, Syracuse, and Albany. Albany are about 41, 50 in New York City, and 48 in Philadelphia. As we take a look at the weather map, the general southwest flow is because of this. We got a front that's pretty much stationary, an area of low pressure riding along that front. So there's some thunderstorms out there in the central plains, but the overall wind is a southwest flow. So we get that coming off of Lake Erie, off of Lake Ontario. So if you're downwind of either of the Great Lakes, any of them really, you're going to definitely feel that cooling influence. That's pretty common this time of the year. On the other side, there's something called a lake effect shadow. So when you get the wind coming off the lake this time of the year, the cool air actually causes clearing. So even on a cloudy day, you end up with sunshine downwind of the lake. So you're going to start and end with sunshine in those areas. 68 tomorrow, 68 on Friday, although Friday, a good deal of shower activity around. So it won't be as bright of a day for sure. And then it looks like on Saturday we get a dry day, and then on Sunday just a couple of showers. So as I mentioned, not a bad forecast for all our Irish communities Saturday and Sunday with temperatures in the 50s. And actually it does look like we kind of settle into a chilly pattern for the second half of March. And we're going to start to see that early next week with temperatures struggling to even get to 50 degrees. That is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great day. I will see you back here tomorrow.